going to be needing clear glue and borax
and some water.
and a bottle of water, of course. Yep. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pour in our clear glue. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. We got it open. Now we're going to pour it into our bowl. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
It's so pretty.
Yeah, it's so clear.
It's making silly sounds.
It looks like it sounds like it's farting.
Guys, look at the bubbles.
Yeah.
Can you see it? I'm going to pour all of it.
Guys, the glue sounds like it's farting.
It farts?
Yeah, it does.
I'm going to get all the glue. And we're done pouring our clear glue, as you can see. We got the bubbles, jiggly, 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 jiggly. So now the next step is we're gonna pour in a bottle of water. You wanna pour half the bottle. Oh, it's so cool.
It looks like activator.
Yeah, it does. Guys, can you hear that sound?
Sounds like it's like...
I think that's enough of water. I almost poured half my bottle. Johnny got thirsty. She drank some water. So now we are going to mix it with our mixing spoon. Whoa!
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. It's so watery. So cool. It's so jiggly too. Look at this. Jiggly, jiggly,
Jiggly, jiggly.
So cool. You mix really well because you want to mix it all
Yeah.
to make sure.
It smells like water.
Because it's water slime. Food coloring and their water slime. But I don't want to. But Johnny wants hers to look like the ocean. So she's going to put a few drops of food coloring.
Just one drop.
One drop. Mix it. Whoa, look at guys.
That's like blue.
Yours is going to look just like the ocean.
Yep.
You got to mix it.
And I'm going to mix mine too.
Whoa. Looks
Guys,
like,
look at this.
it looks like
The ocean, right? Guys, now we are going to pour in our borax. And you just want to pour a little.
Not a lot, because you don't want to open
And you don't want to overactivate it. So we're going to pour some in.
I think that's enough.
That.
Pour in some for her.
So we're going to pour some into Johnny's ocean water slime.
Wow, you have ocean water.
Okay, I think that's enough. Now we're going to mix it. Oh, I can feel it.
Wow!
It's already
Oh
activated.
my gosh, look at this, guys.
Wait, Juvie,
Whoa, it looks like water.
how am I going to make bubbles?
Mixing until it transforms to slime.
Stuff. Mix.
Mix, mix, mix. There, guys, look at mine's already transforming a little bit. See that?
Mine
Oh,
is
it's so cool.
Mine looks
So pretty.
That's turning like water slime. Whoa, guys, look at. Okay, I think I want to mix it with my hands.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it there and then use my hands. 1, 2, 3. Wow, it feels so gooey and jiggly.
Guys, look at mine. Look how clear. I'm gonna put my hands in. Wow.
Guys, look it. I got a whole bunch. Whoa, God, it's so wet because it's water slime.
It's gooey.
Yeah, it is gooey. Guys, when you drop it back in.
Guys, me and Jenny are gonna pour a
Little bit more
more.
water.
Yeah, guys, look at mine. I made mine a heart. Isn't that so cute?
Yeah, mine is just
Let's pour a little bit more water. Just a little bit.
Okay, that's enough for mine.
Yeah, I think that's enough.
Okay, so it's just, wow.
Look at my heart. It's breaking.
Oh my god. So weird. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle.
So jiggly and gooey. Me and Jenny are finished making our water slime, but it didn't really turn like water slime. I think we overactivated a little bit, so this is a fail.
I think I
But
made
it turned out to be icicle slime. Like look at it looks like ice and it's so hard.
And by the way, guys, I made a slice of pizza.
See how hard it is? And it looks like ice cubes.
Yeah. have ice. Oh my gosh, I made a piece of watermelon. Look inside. It's like blue.
So what do you think happened?
I think it's like
What happened to the slime?
the slime.
How come it didn't turn out?
Because it looks like this is a fail because it's ice cubes now.
Yeah, it looks like ice cubes, but what happened?
The-
What did we do wrong?
I think this time was a fail.
It was, but why?
Because it looks like I had too much activator and too much water. It looks
No, I think we
water.
added too much what? Water or activator?
I think activator.
Yeah.
Also ended up making new water slime, but it didn't turn out right either.
Just
So
like how
this is
sticky
another
it is.
fail.
Yeah.
So,
Both of
okay, guys, this is the end of our video. I hope you like it. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.